Welcome to Living Well with Chrystal. Today's workout is another 5 minutes non-stop glute challenge workout. If you like the other all-standing non-stop glute challenge, you will like this one too. Same deal here. No resting time. Get the best results in shortest time. Only 5 minutes. I believe you can do it. Do you believe in yourself? We're going to go through bridge, side kick, and fire hydrant and their intensified modification. I'll explain the proper alignment in each move. Don't underestimate the impact of 5 minutes. 5 minutes every day is way better than 1 hour once a week. Use this workout to create the habit to rebuild your butt while strengthening your legs, core, and arm muscles. When you're ready, let's get started. The first move, bridge. Lay down on the mat, bend your knees, feet hip width apart. Peel your spine off the floor from your tailbone. Tighten your glute and hamstrings. Form a slanted line from your shoulders to your knees. Release down to the floor and back up. Are you ready for more? Let's pulse it up. Keep your butt off the floor, pushing it up. Push, 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 and push. Feeling the burn? You're rebuilding a tight, toned butt. Keep pushing. 10 seconds left. Excellent. Now turn to your left side. Stack your hips and legs. Left elbow on the floor. Kick your right leg up on the side. Make sure both knees facing forward and keep your torso still. Now let's speed up to give it a nice push to our gluteus medius and minimus muscles. Lift, 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 and lift. Good jobs. Now roll your body facing down on your knees and hands, knees hip width apart. Raise your right leg up to the side with knee bent. Then drop it down. Engage your abs, but do not sag or arch your back. Ready to speed up? Same move, but with your right knee in the air. Lift, 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 and lift. Awesome. Last 10 seconds, then we're going to switch to the other side. Now right elbow on the mat in line with your stacked hips and legs. Raise your left leg up and drop it down. Keep your both knees facing forward. Are you still with me? Very good. Time to speed up and no more resting to further strengthen your gluteus muscles. trying to lift up, following the music beats. Let's move on. Roll to your right side and facing down. Knees hip width, hands directly under your shoulders. Raise your left leg up to the side. Make sure your abs engaged and your back are neutral. Now it's time to push it through for a faster speed. Let the muscles burn. We're coming closer to the end of this workout. Last 10 seconds. We are done. Now you can sit back to a child pose, hips on your heels, arm extended to the front, forehead on the mat. Calm your breath. Deep breathe in. Breathe out. Hips up, downward facing dog. Tap your feet left and right to loosen up the muscles. This is the end of our 5 minutes on the floor glute challenge. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, check out other targeted workout video on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to strengthen, to tone, and to love your body, no matter how old you are. Let's get healthy and stronger together. Thank you for practicing with me today, and I will see you next time soon. Bye!